Very soft and fluffy. These are super yummy.
Very simple recipe, but took me a while to perfect, I have to admit. A cross between crumpets and pancakes, and you can make them thinner or thicker as you like.
I like mine quite thin, and I love those millions holes they have. And I will show you super quick chocolate spread to go with them. All-purpose flour and the same amount of semolina. So some sugar, salt, baking powder and yeast. One large egg goes in. Fridge cold milk and quite hot water, mix it so we have quite a warm liquid for our yeast to develop. 3-4 minutes with a hand stick blender. Do not cut corners here. We need to give our butter a good mix. And now let butter stand for 15 minutes. And after that you're ready to cook them. If you cook pancakes as they are, I'm showing you're getting quite a thick, more like a crumpet ones. I am adding 200 ml of water milk mix to get quite a thin pancakes, or you can add even more liquid here. After 15 minutes, the butter increased in volume. It's lovely and fluffy. At this point, I'm adding my extra liquid, 200 ml of warm milk water mix. Give a butter a good stir. We're ready to cook. So I'm using 2 pans, or I could have used 3. So it's quite quick to cook them. I cook pancakes on high, 8 out of 9 settings I have here. Do stir your butter every time you take some. So as soon as one side is dries up, I give couple of sort of minutes on the other side for good measure. I only oil pans 1 time in the beginning, no need to do it again. The pancakes do not stick, they do not tear, melt in your mouth as they are. I love my pancakes with jam, butter, honey.
But the family loves chocolate sauce.
So same amount roughly of sugar as cocoa. This is a rule anyway when you make hot chocolate. Some vanilla sugar. I have here a good quality one. And some corn flour here and some butter. Milk and bring everything to the boil. Keep stirring. Quite high heat here, so it takes literally a couple of minutes. Thickens up once it's close to the boiling point. Let it bubble for maybe a minute or 2 to the desired thickness. You can make your sauce thick as Nutella. Use it as a ganache on the chocolate cake. Make it runny and use it over the ice cream, etc., etc. It's a very useful little recipe. Enjoy.